Hey guys, Sledgehammer recently added the prop hunt game to World War II Multiplayer. It is a lot of fun to play, and there's a lot of tricks with this game mode that I want to show you guys. A lot of the times people might be in spots that you can't find them, and I want to show you guys those spots where people are glitching into walls and becoming invisible so that you can, go over there and shoot in those areas just in case it's like last alive and you can't find the person. So this video is going to be exposing those glitch spots and also showing you guys locations that are really good, and I've tested these locations where if you go there, you're probably going to be the last alive and you'll probably win. I win almost every time in these spots. It's taken me like 3 days to compile these locations and really test them out and make sure they were really good. And I know prop hunt is almost over on January 30th, 10 a.m. Pacific time, but they made a post saying that they're probably going to be bringing back the prop hunt before the end of the Resistance event. I think that ends on like February 23rd. So we might get maybe another week or so of this. So right here, I want to show you some locations where people could be glitching into the walls and how they're doing it. So if you're this little gray panel, you can come up to this rock right here and you want to hit your right trigger to attach to it, and then you hold square and that allows you to attach to like the slope. And that will like suck you into the wall and you can't be seen. So if you're a hunter, this is always a good location to check to see if somebody is inside that wall. I think you can actually kill them even though they can't be seen. Here's another location on Gibraltar where you can wall breach as a prop. You have to be this rack thing right here. Come to this wall. It says Gibraltar battery on it. The way people are getting into this one is you go up to the wall and attach to it with right trigger. And then with left trigger, you want to rotate all the way around and then hold square to match the slope. And when you match the slope, it's gonna again suck you into the wall. So again, another place to check if you can't find the last person, just try blasting at that wall and maybe you can eliminate them if they are in it. The next one is a type of wall breach. You're using this little gray panel and you want to come to the map right here. You don't have to do anything special other than just go up against this wall and then move to the left. And yeah, this is a really good hiding spot. And also, if you guys are looking for someone, always check this location if you can't find anybody. Now I'm going to show you guys spots where you can legitimately hide in plain sight, and they're so good, like people cannot tell that you're there. And with these spots, I am always last alive, and 90% of the time I do win. Every time I'm the apron on Gibraltar, I always come to this tunnel and you just, jump off of those steps. And when you get up inside those rocks a little bit, you just hit right trigger to, stop yourself. It'll attach you just midair wherever you are. The most important trick that I learned playing prop hunt is to get up as high as you possibly can. Get out of people's field of view that is, above them. And most of the time they're just running around looking at the ground thinking that they're going to see props on the ground where, you're hovering above them this whole time. I'm going to show you guys the spots where, I had 6 players running below me and they just never looked up. Even though I'm really close to them, that field of view is just so poor that, yeah, you're hidden really well, but again, in plain sight. The method is just to basically find a high platform to jump off of that allows you to reach like a wall or something. And as soon as you hit that wall, you hit the right trigger and it will freeze you up high against that wall. And then sometimes you can rotate and match slope to get sucked into the wall. And I've got another spot to show you like that on Gustav. You can always check that location for people, but I'll show you guys the rest of the locations. But I hope you guys enjoyed this and we'll see you next video.